Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica. So guys, today I'm gonna make a vegetable soup. So guys, right now, first thing I'm gonna do, I make some pea soup, red peas. Yes, I made some red peas that I was making rice and peas, and I had too much water in it, and so we took out some of the water. Instead of throwing it away, I put it in the freezer to make soup. So right now guys, I'm gonna make some vegetable soup. And guys, I don't usually make vegetable soup, but this last week we had the red pea soup. So this week I said, let me change it up a little bit and make some vegetable soup. So right here guys, I have some chicken foot already washed with, I take off the toes or the fingernails. I take off the nails, yes, the nails, and I washed it with lemon juice. And so right here, putting in my chicken foot. Yes guys, putting in the chicken foot. I have some pumpkin. So all these stuff guys was in my freezer, so I just grab and cook. So guys, this is a pumpkin. So I'm gonna pour the pumpkin in with the chicken foot. I have some carrots. Everything was in my freezer guys, so I'm just grabbing and cooking. So right here goes the carrots. So now I'm gonna cover my pot and let everything boil out and start to cook. Welcome to the channel guys. For those who are all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and for commenting guys. Please continue to support the channel and help me grow. So guys, watch the process as we make some vegetable soup. Okay guys, so I have some more vegetables. Turnip. So guys, this is, I'm not sure, this is not a turnip. I call this a turnip cousin because this is like turnip, but I don't remember the name. It's not a common name that I know. So I'm just gonna slice up these also. I already peel it, wash it. So I'm just gonna cube them up and everything gonna go in the pot one time. So the chicken foot is already in the pot, the carrots and all those stuff. So I'm just gonna cut up the turnip, cut up my celery. So put everything over there. I'm putting everything in the pot one time guys. I'm not sure if I should use all this turnip cousin. Guys, if you know what this is, tell me, because I was told the name but I can't remember. Guys, I'm not gonna use all of this, I think I'm gonna just cube this up and put the rest in my freezer. Yes guys, this is the freezer queen. I love to freeze, and when I'm ready to cook, I grab and cook. Okay guys, so the same bag I take the carrot out of, I just rinse it out, and now I'm putting back the turnip cousin. That's what I call it guys, turnip cousin, in the bag, and I'm gonna put that also in the freezer. Okay guys, this is the vegetable. Guys, they put so much wax on this vegetable. Oh my. So guys, I'm taking off the wax so you could see what it is. So this is it. If you know what it is, drop it in the comment section. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut up my celery. Clean up the celery. So this is a vegetable soup guys. Vegetable guys, sorry if you hear noise. My baby, our grandbaby is making noise, so pardon the noise. So I'm making a soup guys, vegetable soup. So now I'm going to cut up all these stuff. Usually I make pea soup, but I said let me try a vegetable soup. I don't really make vegetable soup that often, but because I love to make pea soup. So most of the time guys, I make pea soup. So guys, continue watching guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it, guys. So I cook Jamaican style cooking. I'm from Jamaica, living abroad. The thing is, I don't cook traditional Jamaican dinner food, but I do a lot of Jamaican food style. So somebody might see me the way I cook and say, oh, that's not how Jamaican cook. Well, most of what I cook is Jamaican style, guys. So that's how we go. Alright, guys. Yes, people. So I'm gonna pour it right here while I cut up my potato. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I put everything in the pot almost at the same time, so all these starchy stuff will boil out, because the kids, my kids, they don't like to see all the food in the soup. They rather just pour the soup in cups. So that's why I have to do everything one time, so they will boil out together. So when they're ready to drink the soup, they don't have to deal with all this extra stuff in there. They just grab the cup and fill the cup of soup. So it's not about the provision and all of that potato and yam. It's about the cup of soup that they will drink. Alright, guys, I'll be back when I finish cutting the potato. Alright, guys, let's put this over here. And over here, guys, I have some white yam. These yam were in, I keep it in the freezer. So it's still frozen, guys. Still frozen. So I just separate it like that and just cut it in small pieces. Even though it's frozen, I'm just cubing up everything so it will boil out. Okay, guys, the yam is all cut up. Guys, it's still frozen. So now I'm gonna put everything in the pot so it will cook while the chicken foot is cooking. Okay, guys, so right here you can see all the vegetable. The pot is not boiling, but it's hot. So I'm gonna pour all of this and just cover it up and let it cook. I said I was gonna put some coconut milk in here, guys, but I forget that this was what I was using. But I'm still gonna put a little bit of coconut milk in there because I don't really use butter. Once in a blue year I use butter, so I'm gonna still do my coconut. So after this, guys, I'll be back when I'm getting ready to blend my coconut. Okay, guys, so this is the coconut, and one of my videos, if you watch the videos, you will see where I cut up the coconut and keep it in my freezer. So whenever time I'm ready to cook, I just grab, blend and cook. And so this is what you do, guys. You put some warm water. This water is hot, guys. So yeah, it's warm. You put some warm water and that's it. You let it sit for a while and then you can blend it. Yes, guys, so right here the pot start to boil. So I'm just gonna give this another maybe a 45 minutes or so to make sure the chicken foot is cooked and the pumpkin is boiled out. Yes, guys. So this is what happens when you store stuff in your freezer. You don't always have to run to the supermarket. Especially for me who don't drive, I can always run to the supermarket, and there is, someone is not always available to take me to the supermarket. So this is the best way I do. I save my stuff in my freezer, and when I'm ready, I just grab and cook. So now I'm gonna cook my chicken foot stew. chicken foot soup with pumpkin and vegetable, and I did not have to go to the supermarket because I already prep and freeze everything for future use. Alright guys, if you watch the video until this part, please comment, subscribe and share and support the channel guys. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so let's blend the coconut. So you put the warm water on it as I said guys, and you let it sit for a while and then you blend. Okay guys, so let's squeeze the coconut. That's right there. I think I'm gonna blend it one more time guys. Gonna blend it, still a little bit coarse, so I'm gonna blend it one more time. One more time blend guys. Okay guys, so I blend it one more time. And that's it right there. So this time it come out more thinner. It's not as coarse as the first time. So use warm water. Don't forget to use warm water to blend the coconut that you keep in the freezer. Guys, you see this is all natural. No powder, no preservative, all natural guys. So there you go guys, all natural coconut milk, no preservative. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna make some the dumpling. So I'm not using a lot of flour, I'm using just a little bit of flour guys, because I just want to make some little spinners. Because as I said, they don't like when I mix soup with a lot of food, that's some salt. So I'm just gonna make a little bit of dumpling. Let's put a little water and you just mix, and there goes the dough for your dumpling. This is like a handful of flour or a handful of dough. See, one handful. But even though it's a small portion, you're still gonna get a lot of dumpling. Just a lot. Small dumpling guys, small dumpling. If you're still watching guys, please comment, subscribe and share, and drop a comment in the comment section about how you feel about this video. So there you go guys, one handful. So I'm gonna put this down until I'm ready to put it in the pot. So there you go, my coconut milk, my green seasoning and my flour, my dough for my dumpling. Okay guys, let's check the pot. Wow. So guys, everything is boiling. I think I'm gonna wait until this, whatever it is, cook. Turnip cousin. Or the pumpkin. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit longer, because I want the pumpkin and the potato to completely boil out before I add the dumplings. Alright guys, see you later. Okay guys, so listen to this now. These vegetables taking forever to boil out, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out the vegetables and put put them in my nut milk maker and I'm gonna blend them out and put it back into the pot. Alright guys, so watch this process. Taking too long guys. Usually I will put it in the bowl, but I never take out my stuff before. I'm boiling guys, I'm so sneaky, I don't wait, this thing is taking too long. Chicken foot is already cooked and this vegetable, the pumpkin is taking forever to boil out. And I don't have the time to wait. So I'm gonna blend it out. So just watch the process guys, watch the process. So I'm gonna pour some of the liquid. No, I'm gonna use some of the coconut milk. Pour some of the coconut milk in there. Because I don't want to really put too much water. There you go. I'm using some of the coconut milk to blend this out. Alright. Okay guys, so let's take this out, plug out this here, and let's pour it in guys, because as I said, it's taking too long. Taking too long guys, taking too long. So I still have some more. I'm gonna pour with the coconut milk. And everything gonna boil out. Because guys, as I said, my children don't like the soup when it have all this stuff in it. And this been boiling for a while. As small as I cut them, it's taking forever. So there you go. Blend one more time. Yes guys, this take a few seconds, you know guys. So instead of sitting here waiting on this pot to boil and boil and boil, look at this nice color. See all that nice color guys? I know the kids gonna enjoy this soup. You know why? Because they don't have to deal with all that extra stuff. Yes guys, so now still have some in here. So now that this is boiling, I'm gonna put the dumpling in. Yeah, I'm gonna put the dumpling in and rest of seasoning. So guys, there you go. I still have a couple pieces of yam in there that is not fully cooked out, but that's okay. So at least the kids will enjoy their food. They're not gonna eat the chicken foot, you know guys. They're not gonna eat the chicken foot, so they're not eating the chicken foot, but they will drink the soup. I think a couple of my kids might, you know, eat it. So now I'm gonna put in the dumpling. Some little find something very small. So you just make them small guys and you just rub them like this. There you go. So this is called spinners. Why they call them spinners? Maybe because you spin it like this. So guys, you see how that's boiling? I'm sitting here waiting on this vegetable to boil out and it's not boiling out. Hey, I forget I have this little machine that works very well. So now all this goodness gonna cook together. The coconut milk and all of that. Guys, if you're still here watching, please comment, subscribe and share while you cook, enjoying this soup. Friday evening soup. Guys, I don't remember if when I was growing up in Jamaica, if they used to cook soup on a Friday evening or a Saturday evening. But I know on the weekend, there is always soup. One day, and I'm not sure which day, if it was Friday or Saturday is the day that they make soup in Jamaica. I know on Sunday is rice and peas and chicken and fish, but I don't remember if it's on Friday they make soup or they make soup on Saturday. Most likely it's Friday. I think you know it's probably on Saturday evening they usually cook soup. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I have to go ask somebody. So there you go, guys. The dumpling is all in. So guys, guess what? I'm seasoning up this, you know. I'm gonna season it up one time. So guys, this is some chives powder that I hydrate. So I'm gonna put some in here. Chives. So now guys, I'm gonna just season up this one time. I'm gonna put some cock soup, braised cock soup. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix out the cock soup in some water, because sometimes when I make my cock soup, guys, I feel the powder part of the cock soup still left in the pot. So I'm gonna just mix it out with some warm water and then dump it in the pot. So here is some warm water. Guys, when I'm cooking, I always have my kettle going, because if I need extra warm water, see guys, you see how clumpy it is? Clumpy. So sometimes when I finish cooking my soup, I always find in that part, that clumpiness in the soup, and I don't want that today, because I don't like it. So now I put it in warm water and stir it out, and so pour it in the pot. Traditional way, them just open the noodle and dump it in the pot. My way is you just put it in some warm water and mix it out and put it in the pot. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put some parsley, some scallion that is in the that I blend out. So this is my scallion, my thyme. Guys, everything is blended out and I keep it in the freezer. So when I'm ready to cook, I just grab and cook. So the reason why I do this, guys, because I don't want to waste stuff, and I think it keeps the stuff fresh, just like how it comes from the store. So now I'm seasoning up them, putting my seasoning in. So that's my onion, scallion, thyme, and some parsley. Let me taste this. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand to see what it tastes like. I just feel like I need to put a little spice to it. Well guys, it's nice already and it's not even done boil yet. It tastes so good, guys. So good. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger. So I have my homemade ginger that I make. Homemade ginger, I hydrate it. So I'm gonna put a little bit in there. I don't know if you ever put ginger in soup, you know. But today is the day. today is the day. I put parsley already. I make homemade pepper, salt pepper. So I'm gonna put a little twist, guys. A little twist. Guys, I don't like to cook with black pepper. Black pepper, I don't like to cook with black pepper. Why am I using this plastic spoon in the pot? I was using it before to take out the veggies, but I don't like that. So guys, so nice and thick this come out. After I blend out everything in my nut machine. So guys, now my kids will enjoy this soup. Everybody gonna enjoy this soup because guess what? There is not much provision in it. All the vegetable is blended out. So guys, if I wake up tomorrow and find soup left over, probably I can call myself lucky, because this way, this is what they like. So they're gonna put it in the cup, drink it, and probably I might not have any for tomorrow for Sabbath. So if you're still here, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Put your notification bell on, so when I upload the next video, you will receive it. Alright guys, so guys, wait until all this goodness done cook, and so I will let you taste and tell me what it tastes like. Okay guys, let's check on the soup. So guys, look at all that delicious chicken foot soup with pumpkin, carrots, and veggie, yam and potato. So you see all the dumpling them floating on the top. Guys, oh how I'm gonna enjoy this soup tonight. I hope you enjoy it as well. For all of you who want some, run go get your plate. Not a plate, run go get your bowl. I already have my bowl on my counter ready to go. So run go get your bowl, guys. Run go get your bowl. Get your bowl, get your bowl, get your bowl. So guys, enjoy it. I hope you really enjoy this dinner tonight. Guys, you wouldn't like to taste this. When I say it nice, not because I am the one that cook it, but because it epic nice. Guys, epic nice. Oh Lord God. Well, all I don't know if it's epic or not epic, but all I know is nice. Nice. Not too thick, not too thin, just the right consistency to just pour into cups, and that is right there. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer, guys, because I want this seasoning to well cook inside of it. Guys, let me bring it up close and personal. Close and personal. Look at that. Delicious. Guys, it is as nice as the look. So guys, when I'm plating some of this soup, I will be back because I don't want the video to be more than 30 minutes long. Okay guys, let me take out some of the soup. Now it's still boiling. So let's take out some. I'm gonna plate it. Guys, this cup soup is for cup, but I'm gonna just put it in a plate so you can see it. Let me grab a couple dumpling. Guys. So guys, this is pure liquid. There's nothing much in it. So let me put my spoon to the side right here. Guys, sorry about this. So this is it right here. It's like, you know, nice. And not to mention, my grandbaby, Baba, is already ready for him. He's quarreling for it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And Take care of yourself until next time, and remember, Jesus loves you. So thank you for watching, guys, and do have yourself a wonderful day.